In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Instagram without providing your original phone number or email address. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So as you can see right now that I'm on the sign up page of Instagram. So first enter the username for your new account. Once you have entered the username, click on next. Now create a strong password. Once you have created the password, click on next. Now click on this option, add new phone or email. Click on email. Now what you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type tempmail, TEMPMAIL. Click on this first link. Now your temporary email address is being created, so be patient. Once the email address is created, click on copy and go back to Instagram. Paste the email address right here and click on next. Now a verification code is sent to your new email address. So in order to get that verification code, you need to go back to your internet browser, scroll down, and in this inbox section, you will see that you have already received the verification code. So copy it and then go back to Instagram and paste the verification code here. Click on next. And that's basically it. In this way, you can create an account on Instagram without providing your original phone number or email address. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.